The beef, they sweet. Beef is on me. I know be vegetarian. that be one lame line. I've said it a million times. When there's a lot of comparison between two artists, it creates a natural competition between them, even if they haven't spoken about it, right?
Yeah.
And then it go fit spark some emotions as well, right?
Yeah.
That's all that is healthy beef. When it goes past that and it's getting to the point where we see what mommy say, we see what
Yeah.
crowd will get like say, that be the side way I don't like.
Do you enjoy beef songs and other beef na so no code them na I want to say enjoy ya pa another because last who commentary obe any cheda de CC no pede push some unity vibe be there, you know, a man for one show more love one force na you conquer the world but first na o man about to me ame dokono me ame hono and all those things in there Emma upper cats kakra wo ho enjoy beef sir.
The beef, they sweet. Beef is on me. I know be vegetarian. that be one lame line. I've said it a million times. I know be vegetarian, so I
I
like.
saw it a video crew new era video but with that Hafiz
Yeah.
the beef be
Yeah,
plate.
yeah,
Now no come beef
yeah.
na etwitwa na dey no a beef papa.
Actual beef, Angasa.
I see.
So I think that the conversation about beefs you know, there. When I champion the unity stuff,
Yeah.
I'm trying to champion it outside the beefs, right? Me and Strongman, we've had a lot of right from the next
beef
victim comparison. When there's a lot of comparison between two artists, it creates a natural competition between them, even if they haven't spoken about it, right?
Yeah.
And then it go fit spark some emotions as well, right?
Yeah.
That's all that is healthy beef. When it goes past that and it's getting to the point where we see what mommy say, we see
Yeah.
what crowd will get like say, that be the side way I don't like. So yeah, let's do the beefs. Let's do lyrically. Let's show me say you rap better than me. Make I show you say I rap better than you. But then once we are done with that, you know, we should be able to still meet behind closed doors. Pause, no Didi. Still meet on our own and be able to, you know, work on different aspects on ourselves. Okay, so right now, this beef where they go on, how self we go fit capitalize on them, Charlie? Now I be like strong, Charlie. Be like if we bring on our mind together, we go fit even do some US tour, me and you. We go fit tour all the colleges in. That is what I mean when I say unity. Let's come together and find ways we can capitalize on all the efforts we are putting into this. So the beefs are there. Hey, if you want to show me you are better than me lyrically, bring it on by all means.
Bring it
But
up.
outside of that, exactly.
But maybe
outside
sir,
of that,
maybe sir, I mean that clip is still online. Next Victim, that clip of you and Strongman final rounds and you know, if you have that opportunity to stand on that stage again with Strongman, bar for bar like we normally
or anybody else.
No, let's use Strongman particular because that particular thing and Akaya Azibia anytime be a conversation about rap camps, people will go and use that as a reference. And I personally feel that Yawazibi or her or a day it needs to be corrected. Any other opportunity that I want a strong man or the wajina the mistake general ebazina beye to make sure that what happened on the next victim it wouldn't happen again.
Okay, so a few things. At the next victim stage, let's clarify some of these things.
Yeah.
The TeePhlow you knew at the next victim stage was a guy who is fresh off of college, who was doing some funny freestyles in college and became popular. And the GH1 people came looking for TeePhlow, what tech for us to go represent in that show, right?
Yeah.
So I had no experience whatsoever when it comes to really being lyrical and all that.
Yeah.
Mind you, on the flip side, my brother Strong G was one of the guys who used to go sport there on rap battles for KFM. Anye no mpo na wo konti katanga na za ye bi.
Okay.
You check those people a
Yeah.
lot. So there was a lot of experience gap between the two. Secondly, there wasn't a lot of preparation on my end. And he said, if you listen to if you closely listen to the bars he spit on that stage, he didn't have to prepare either, because he could just go ahead and use some of his old lines now as a baton we win and so that is what he did do, and he has excelled in so many times. So now if you bring that mindset into today's world, what I can say for sure is the best way is to stay prepared, right? Be very prepared for this agenda. So because me, I went on a stage with no preparation, so I was now looking around trying to rhyme with the things I am seeing.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything prepared down. So I was trying to write, and I am not the typical off the top rapper where I can just pick anything and rap with, right?
Yeah.
So the preparation will not, if you prepare, or if you're always prepared, you don't have to get ready, right?
Yeah.
So that is one thing. So as it stands, that when that conversation has to come up again, the very first thing I will ask is, what is the bag looking like in terms of money? Who are the sponsors coming to put us on stage? How much are they giving us? Those are the first conversations I'll have, because if I'm going to sit down and write lyrics, I'm as an artist, mind you, there are people who specifically invest in battle rap. If they are battle rappers, then that's different. Me, I'm an artist. If as an artist, I have to put artistry and making music aside to go specifically do battle rap, then I have to put a lot of effort, time and effort into it. If I'm going to do that, then how much money are they willing to pay us? And I'm not saying just me and my brother both. Are they willing to pay us for us to, champion this cause and entertain the people? That is one. Two, who are we rapping to? And who is going to be the judge? I think because I did this, that's why the thing too, they give the balloons. Who are we rapping to, and who is going to be the judge? Because Mr. Rich, forget everything. The kind of lines I did drop, the average person will not think I am winning.
Fantastic.
Until they watch the video over and over again. By the time we're watching over and over again, what's a beautiful play a winner that though?
Yeah.
So that is the question. The question is, who are we rapping to, and who is judging? If you put me and any rapper in front of Sack, MI, Jay-Z, Nas, all the greats who have actually done it and understand lyricism, then we can have the conversation properly. But if you put it in front of the street for them to judge, the street and the Mekasa will touch the chain with from but that no be nothing. So the reason why I shy away, the reason why I stay away from those topics in terms of battle head to head is, who am I doing it with? Who is the fan? What is the perception of these fans, and who is going to be the judge? Once we have the right conversations in place, then we can actually go toe to toe with anybody, and it will be a fair match. Until then it's never going to be fair. The average Ghanaian doesn't follow what we they do, and it's not even ready to learn what we they do. That be why.